Here we go down, and you can see the sunset as we go down the Pinnacle in Cumberland Gap. I think it's good we came down before it got full dark.
Probably, but we got good lights. We have been okay.
Can you see okay?
Yeah.
I'm not in your way?
No, we're fine.
More lights are coming on down in the city. They got like little drains that come down onto the road. Must be the ideal place for the water to come down so that it doesn't wash the road out.
Yeah, gotta go down.
It's got to come down somewhere. to see some of the city. I think that was Middlebury over there.
There's a good shot of town.
Oh, look, yes. Beautiful. You can see the road down to the side.
There's something that's crossed right there. You see that? Something crossed right there. That a little deer? It's a deer, isn't it?
It's a deer down there, yep. A couple of them.
Couple of deer. Hi, babies. Little cuties.
If deer come out, maybe bear would too.
Yeah. There they go. See you guys.
Here's our Bolmere. Not sure how much good it does, but they're just as likely to come out over down here, those deer.
A little easier to turn than the frontier.
Yeah? Don't need 40 acres to turn this thing around. Shifting down to save your brakes. Oh, my ears popped.
What?
My ears popped.
Oh.
Hard to believe we were the only ones going up and the only ones coming down, and nobody else has come up or gone down the whole time.
It's the quiet side of the Smoky Mountains.
That's what a lot of them have said, haven't they? We're getting ready to do the switchback. We're gonna go down to that part of the road via this bridge. Or maybe not go down that way. We're gonna, they're watching for us. Look at that. There's a ranger over there.
I don't think so.
You don't think that's a ranger? They don't have the shield on the side, do they?
I don't think that's a ranger. I was just looking at that restroom over there, but I don't see any. I think it's just a place.
So for the Pinnacle, you gotta go before you go.
Could have stopped there. There was a few postings or stuff. What went on there?
The sun's trying to peek through the mountains just before it disappears for the day. See the glow on the trees, it's gorgeous. And there's the sun for a last hurrah.
There's the sun over there now.
For a last hurrah.
There's your sunset.
As warm as it got today, it really got chill this evening. Guess that's being in the mountains. And that is the Pinnacle Drive down. Oh, look, there's somebody coming in. Several somebodies coming in.